Hi, and welcome to another Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about the Windows 10 computer and setting it so that it stays awake a little longer. Right now, the default setting is kind of short, so this is going to be a quick one. Let's take a look. So everything we do with Windows 10 is through the Windows key, so we're going to hit the Windows key, which is this little icon here in the bottom, and once that's up, we're going to type power, P-O-W-E-R. All right, and we're going to select the power and sleep settings. Once we have that selected, you can see on your screen what your current settings are, and this is a little short. So we have two options that we can set. We can set how long it waits when it's on power or plugged into the AC outlet, and how long it waits when it's on battery. Normally we want battery to be a little shorter than if it's plugged in because we want to conserve power. So I would say if I'm on battery, I don't really want it to go longer than 20 minutes. If I've not touched the mouse or the keyboard in 20 minutes, I want it to turn off the screen and save some power. But if I'm plugged in, I'm going to go for a full hour. So I need an hour's worth of, inactivity before things start shutting off. Now, for the sleep, so that just turns the screen off. That doesn't do anything else. For sleep is when it actually goes into a deep power saving mode. So for sleep, I'm going to set that a little longer. So if I'm on battery power, I want it to run for about 30 minutes before I let it go to sleep. And then if I'm plugged into the wall, I'm going to set this at 2 hours. It's longer than a period class, but not quite 2. So if I've not touched it in that long, let's let it go ahead and go to sleep when it's plugged in and conserve that battery power. All right. So about 20 minutes, 1 hour for the screensaver. And then I've got 30 minutes and 2 hours for sleep. And once we've set that, we can just close that. Those settings are now set, and you can go back and adjust those anytime. This has been another Tech Tip.